Hello everyone and welcome back to another Jayrocks video. So today we are doing some rough cutting. So usually if you're newly subscribed to this channel, you'll usually see lawn care, and quite often it's on my home lawn. So the whole autumn lawn series, that's where it's been based, at my home garden. But my company doesn't just offer lawn care and lawn care sort of services. We also offer a range of gardening services as well, from generic garden maintenance to pruning to rough cutting to hedge work, the rest of it. So have a flick through these videos and you'll see what they are. On that, do me a massive favour if you can, smash that like button and leave me a comment below. I'd love to know if you like this sort of video or not. Anyway, so at this client's home here, we have about an 800 metre square paddock area that's up to sort of a metre high grass in places. And we've got about 300-400 metres squared around the property. This is all just going to be getting knocked down. The client got in touch with me a few months ago and asked me if I could do this job. I exchanged a quote and then I actually turned this job down and said, you know what, I think it's too much for us. Since then, he's been back in touch in the last few weeks and he said, look Jay, I still haven't found anyone. Can you please help me? So I've managed to clear a bit of space in the diary. I've hired a Grillo Climber, what you'll see in a moment. I just want to give a shout out on this to Scott from SE Landscaping. He's got a few videos using this machine, and you know, from me seeing that, it made me think that this job was possible and that I could take it on. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please leave me a comment, smash subscribe, and remember, hit that bell button. If you do, then you'll be notified every time I release a video. Hope you enjoy. So anyway, this is where we are. We've done 3 passes, and this is now how the area is looking. It looks pretty fantastic for sure. So the whole purpose of this job was just a general knockdown, everything around the whole area to be sort of just brought down to height, waste not taken away, and just sort of mulched down. So I've done that whole area there. Also up here, this is part of the area that I did that I wish I had filmed more of because it was well overgrown. All the way up here, as you see, all this was, you know, as it was on this top bank, they were just full. It was just full up there. So I was gonna, as you've seen, I've started doing this hill just to try and limit the trimming, but quite frankly, this is all going to get trimmed all the way up this far end and around, and I'll try and get some footage of that. But other than that, it is pretty fantastic how it's turning out. So hope you're enjoying the video so far. Just got a bit of trimming and a bit of mowing left to do with the push mower, and then that should be us. Hello everyone, so that is us done now. That took about 5.5 hours roughly, and you know, we're really pleased. I've just had the client out just there and he's ecstatic, and he's actually going to get me back again at sort of mid-November, start of December, to try and get the height on the grass that little bit lower, as he's got a robot mower and stuff for this back end that he might be trying to get sort of wired in and all used and stuff. So anyway, this is the finished product. Right then, that's us. I hope that you liked the video. If you did, please hit that like button and smash subscribe. Also, if you want to see repeat videos, like I said before, then hit the bell icon. Right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.